Hello, welcome to this session of website design series. And in today's training, our focus is going to be portfolio. We are going to learn how to create a portfolio page for our website. A portfolio page is actually a page where you show all the projects you have delivered for clients. Alright, so once you log in into your dashboard, all you need to do is to go to pages, all pages, then you click add new as we used to do. So once the page is finished loading, all you need to do is just to type portfolio here. So it's going to be a page that will also display on the menu of our website. Then publish it. Publish. So after publishing, we can say edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is what we're having. So we are the portfolio page. So the first thing that we're going to do is to import the header template, which we did earlier in our previous videos. So we import the header, do not apply. Okay, from here we can change this to portfolio. Portfolio, as well as this about us to portfolio. Portfolio, right? So the next thing we are going to do is actually going to look like more or less like that services page that we did. Only that, with respect to that services page, we at the end of the day we created pages for each every services that we offer there, where you can actually read the detail of that page. But for this portfolio session, all we are going to do is to put a picture of these services that we deliver or we render to clients, and if possible, with respect to our services, what we are going to put in our portfolio here is actually the site and the app we've deployed and hosted for clients. That's what we're going to put here. So we're actually going to link each and every one of them to the corresponding websites. That is, if the site is still active. Yeah. So meanwhile, if the website you are designing or your client does not have their portfolio or their previous project does not linked anywhere, all you need to do is just to drop all the pictures and a description about that project on your portfolio. So let's get started. So the first thing is to add a section, and this section is going to be a 3-column section as usual. So now, first we are going to add a picture, then we'll add a write-up, and as well as a call to action button that will take the user to the site if at all is still active. So let's drag an image element here. I have all my pictures already, so I'm going to drop the resource for you guys to use. The essence of this is just for you to learn the concept, so you can put any picture of your choice at the end of the day. You can change the content of this site and make it yours. Upload. Okay, this is the pages. These are the sites I'm going to upload. Control A to select everything and upload it. So once you are done uploading the picture, so we start. I think I'll start with the latest and downward to the very first project I delivered. So I'll start with Callistus. Let me see Callistus. Now click select, right? So I have it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the elements. I'm going to add uh, a write-up, kind of a heading for this. Let me see, H4. So once I have this, we can change this. The name of this is Callisto Console. Calypso Consort. Calypso Consort Ltd. So I can let me use I think H6 should be better. Yeah. So the next thing is to bring description for this. So what is this site all about? So I have my write-ups here, which I'm going to drop at the end of the day for you guys to use. So it is a real estate company website, you know, blah 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 and blah. So I'm going to take off the ear. So I'm going to reduce the size of this just from the style typography. I can make it 12. Let's make it 12 and see. Okay, let's say 13, 15. I think 15 should be okay, right? 15 should be okay. Then we're going to add a call to action button. Let's make the color black so it will be visible. Yeah. Then we're going to make the sorry. We need a button, a call to action button, and this button we are going to uh, maybe push it to the uh, right side of the screen this way, okay? Or perhaps, let me see, I'll add a section, inner section here. I want to divide that apart. I'm going to add an inner section here, then I'll draw button one side of it, then right top here. So this right up, I'm going to call it let me see, delete, don't need that. So I could duplicate this, just drag it here. Now erase everything. Now call it hosting status. Hosting status, right? Then I'll make it bold. So what is the status of this site? So we can now show whether it is expire or live. Let me see. Wait, custom. I'm going to duplicate this. So is this site still live or expired? Okay, let me see. Let me remove this. Let's say from here, from the content, you can say on production. Then if it is on production, user can view it. Right? I'll just say visit site, visit. I'll just say visit site. I'll make the button extra small. The idea is actually to bring these guys up. Let me see. Typography. let's see, 10, 12, 11. Okay, so now I'm going to make this black, black, right? Then let's uh let's bring them together because there are two spacing, so I'm not sure I like it this way. So before that, let's click this section. Then from advanced menu, we're going to give it a padding of 50. Click this first so that it will not apply to all. 50, 50 top and bottom, right? So can now style this column differently. You can come here and say this column should have margin, maybe margin of 20, right? Then we're going to give it a color. We have let me see, note. We have our we have this color that I'm using, this gray color, EFFFF something. Then I'll just come here, click the column, style, background, and I'll drop the color here, right? Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is to come here. We don't want to have padding. Just say 0. Okay, so that to fold. That's great. So okay, I think I'm going to need that padding because of this right up inside, and if I do that, it will affect um, the picture. So what is the best way? Okay, let's see. Let's give padding to each of this item that is inside. Let's say this guy should have padding left and right of 10. Okay, then likewise this left and right of 10. Okay, so we'll go back to this and give it the column a radius, scroll to border, give it a radius of 20, right? Let's see if 20 is okay. Since it's 10, a radius of 10. Okay, we can give it shadow so that it will come out well. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, now we are going to reduce all this margin. We say margin bottom of minus 20, minus 10, minus 15, minus 15. Then this perhaps I should give this color to the background. I think that would be okay. Then making this a white color. Let's see. Just a second. Click the column. You can just choose whatever you want anyway. So Control C. Then we'll make this one white. Now come to this guy. I'll give it a background color of that ash. I think this way it will, yeah. So that this guy can come out clear. Okay. Wow, this is cool. It's cool. Yeah. So this gap here is too much. So I'm going to click here. After clicking there, I'll come back here. Say margin bottom of -10, -20, -40. No, 30. This is 30. 35. Okay. So I'm going to click this. They'll say uh, margin top of 20, of 15. Right. Let's see. Okay, I think I don't like this thing that I'm seeing. This line, this paragraph, the height is too much. So I can click here from style menu, then I will go to typography and say line height. I'll just vary it so that once I have, I think 19 should be okay. So in that case, I'm going to reduce this guy again. So I'll have, I think it's okay. Then this guy as well, bottom. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Let's make it 0. Yeah, yeah, it's okay this way. So the next thing is to change the color of this button to official color, which is this hash 006268. They'll come here, click the button, then from here style, then drop the color, right? So this button, we are using a button with radius, so can make it radius of 10, 5. Okay, okay, I think we are done with this. So for this button, we are going to put the link. This is the link to the website. If it is on production, means the site is live, so people can visit it. So that is the essence of the status. Hosting status is on production. Okay, visit the site and see how it looks. If you like it, then say okay, I want this kind of website, design it for me. So that is the essence of you adding a portfolio, your previous project, to your website. So now we are done with this columns as we used to do. So the next thing is for us to continue duplicating this. Duplicate. Then I will take these ones that are empty off, delete, delete. Right, so this is what we're having. So what happened here? Let me see. This button should be extra small, extra small. Okay. Okay, there's a challenge here. Let me see. What is the, okay, let's say 15. Right? Let me say 15 and see if it works. 15. So we're still having this dropping. Rather, let me just duplicate this and say delete. Okay, so we only have the first one the way we want it, the rest visit site. Visit site. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. If because if we preview the site, we'll have it exactly the way we want it. So this is how we want it to be. Right? So what we're going to do, we'll discover that for this card, we only have the bottom rounded, but the top seems not to be in shape, right? Because we have to work on that picture. Let's see. Let's see if you can work on the picture itself. From style, you can say border. You click here first, top border of 10, right? Top border of 10. Seems not to be visible. Let's see. Okay, it's only applied to this edge. Okay, right 10. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we're having. This is what we're currently having. Let's see. If we take this shadow off, what happen? Is it visible? Yeah, kind of visible, but user can hardly see uh, the border radius. We may want to adjust the shadow of this column. Let's see. Border shadow. Let's see. I think it's okay. We're going to leave it this way. Yeah. Delete this. Delete. Delete. Wow. Okay. So we're going to duplicate it. Undo. Control Z. Click the column. Duplicate the column. Duplicate. Great. So this is what we're having. The button provided the link. So if we hit update and visit the site and visit the site, we should have so we should have it this way. So user can click and visit the site. Because I'm not currently connected, so we can't view the site. So that's a good one.